Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most important aspects of growing your channel on YouTube, SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of optimizing your videos and channel to rank higher in YouTube search results. In this video, we'll be discussing some effective strategies and techniques for managing your YouTube SEO. Section 1, Understanding YouTube SEO. Before we dive into the tips and strategies, let's first discuss the basics of YouTube SEO. YouTube SEO is all about optimizing your videos and channel to rank higher in YouTube's search results. This includes optimizing your video titles, descriptions, tags, and other metadata. When it comes to YouTube SEO, there are a few key factors that YouTube takes into account when ranking videos. These factors include the relevance of the video to the search query, the video's engagement metrics, such as watch time, likes, and comments, and the authority of the channel. Section 2, Tips for managing your YouTube SEO. Now that you understand the basics of YouTube SEO, let's dive into some tips and strategies for managing your YouTube SEO effectively. 1. Conduct keyword research. The first step in optimizing your videos for SEO is to conduct keyword research. 1. This involves identifying the keywords and phrases that your target audience is searching for on YouTube. 1. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, TubeBuddy, or vidIQ to find relevant keywords and phrases that you can incorporate into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. 2. Optimize your video titles. Your video titles are one of the most important elements of your video's SEO. 2. Use your target keywords in your video titles, and make sure they accurately describe the content of your video. 2. Keep your titles short and to the point, and use descriptive language that will entice viewers to click on your video. 3. Create high-quality thumbnails. Your video's thumbnail is the first thing that viewers will see when browsing YouTube search results. 3. Make sure your thumbnail is eye-catching and visually appealing, and accurately represents the content of your video. 3. Use high-quality images, bold text, and contrasting colors to make your thumbnails stand out. 4. Write detailed video descriptions. Your video descriptions are an important element of your video's SEO. 4. Use your target keywords in your video descriptions, and write detailed, informative descriptions that accurately describe the content of your video. 4. Include links to relevant resources or websites, and encourage viewers to engage with your video by asking questions or soliciting feedback. 5. Use relevant tags. Tags are another important element of your video's SEO. 5. Use tags that accurately describe the content of your video, and use your target keywords as tags. 5. Include both broad and specific tags to help your video rank for a variety of search queries. 6. Optimize your channel page. Your channel page is an important element of your overall YouTube SEO strategy. 6. Use your target keywords in your channel name and description, and include links to your website or social media profiles. 6. Make sure your channel page is visually appealing and easy to navigate, and organize your videos into playlists to make it easier for viewers to find the content they're looking for. 7. Encourage engagement. Engagement metrics like watch time, likes, and comments are important factors in YouTube's ranking algorithm. 7. Encourage viewers to engage with your videos by asking questions, responding to comments, and creating content that is informative and engaging. 8. Promote your videos. Promoting your videos on other social media platforms can help increase their visibility and drive more traffic to your channel. 8. Share your videos on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and encourage your followers to watch and engage with your content. That's it for today's video on managing your YouTube SEO. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process, and it takes time and effort to see results. But by implementing these tips and strategies, you'll be well on your way to ranking higher in YouTube search results and growing your channel. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or tips of your own, leave them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.